this video, I'll be showing you how to easily delete your BeReal. So let's launch BeReal, and I'm going to give you a guide as to how to delete. Now here I have this BeReal, it is called test. I have the options to share and save to my gallery. So first things first, you need to tap on the three dots beside the BeReal. So as you can see here, I have three dots beside the timer. So tap on those three dots. And as you can see, we have the option. We could add this to discovery, we could share, but the option which we want is to delete BeReal. So as you can see here, delete my BeReal. The deletion of your photo will be final. You can only do one deletion per day. So be careful. The next photo you take won't get a second chance. So as you can see here, why would you like to delete your BeReal? So if you don't like your BeReal, you could delete or select the option and then simply click on delete my BeReal. Okay, so after you've done that, as you can see, the BeReal has been deleted and now it is prompting us to post a BeReal to discover pictures. So that is basically how you'd go about deleting a BeReal. So if this was helpful, please be sure to leave a like on the video. A comment would be appreciated. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.